Welcome. Maintaining a healthy gut is so important. Moroccan cuisine supports digestive wellness through fresh ingredients, mindfulness, and balance. Gut health impacts overall well-being. A balanced microbiome aids immunity, weight, moods, and disease prevention. Unbalanced gut health relates to issues like IBS, deficiencies, and fatigue. Moroccan cooking nurtures gut health through sleep, hydration, gentle exercise, nutrients, and moderate eating patterns over centuries. Key foods include spices, vegetables, pulses, healthy fats, probiotics, and prebiotics. Meals incorporate turmeric, ginger, garlic, and peppers, which aid digestion and support gut healing. Vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals abundantly. Soups and tagines cook meats gently with warming spices instead of frying. Pulses provide soluble fiber, lean protein, and growth nutrients for gut bacteria. Olive oil and nuts nourish moderately. Fish features along coastlines. Poultry offers quality protein once weekly. Recipes like harira soup and vegetable tagines nourish digestion gently. Salads fill up with fiber and nutrients. Drinks like mint tea soothe while juices replenish. Moroccan cuisine enjoys life's pleasures occasionally, focusing on whole foods and achieving balance for health and happiness long term. I hope this inspires your own cooking and wellness journey.